Hello, this is Nathan's Nature Show. I caught a toad today. We are going to learn about toads. Here he is. And
okay.
Toads can sometimes never die from animals or cats or anything else because whenever they feel like they are threatened, they will put out a bad smell. And when I found this toad, he was in a kind of very small, very small deep hole, and this toad likes to jump, but we like it that this toad doesn't pee on your hand, and we hope he doesn't do it any other time, but only with his. And this is our wacky Miranda. She will be the funny person for us today, but she's going to do it right now. She's going to do something wacky.
Anything else you can teach us about toads today, Nathan?
Toads do not eat anything very kind of big, but they eat any kind of bug. And if you ever do catch a toad, you can give him any kind of bug, but not a ball bug, or a butterfly, because I never tried that. But the thing that you wouldn't know that they would eat is a worm. This has been Nathan's Nature Show.
Say goodbye, Miranda.
Bye. And Toad wants to say goodbye, too.